If you have a McLaren 720S, you guys know this car has incredible potential to be extremely fast and just absolutely ridiculous. But on the table here, you can see we've got the factory McLaren sports exhaust. This is just a straight pipe design. You're not going to get that exotic Ferrari F1 458 type sound. With what's on my right and your guys' left is the ultimate sound configuration for McLaren 720S. And here's why. It's a double X pipe setup. It's all titanium. And what happens is when the exhaust enters 3.5 inches, then combines into both X pipes, you get a huge velocity acceleration, which increases pitch. And this thing really does sound way more exotic than these cars are known to sound. We know that they're extremely fast. You put some free flow downpipes on and a tune, this thing is absolutely insanely fast. But at Valtronic Designs, being fast is not just enough for the driving experience. We need to make sure these cars sound as good as they look and they perform. So in this video, we're going to be combining this exhaust system with a pair of free flow downpipes. It's already installed in the car. You can see we've got these incredible 4-inch single wall titanium tips. It looks absolutely incredible, helps accentuate the blast cannons when this car spits a flame about this big. The car has no software as well either. It is bone stock. Our objective with this is if you're going to tune the car or maybe not, you guys will know what the car is going to sound like with just the exhaust. The goal with this platform is we know the potential is lurking underneath this turbocharged 4-liter platform. We know the cars can sound amazing, and this exhaust setup is what you need to get that Ferrari type sound. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. We're going to show you all the sound characteristics, startups, revs, flybys, all the different sound configurations so that you guys know exactly what your McLaren 720S is going to sound like with the ultimate exhaust package. But if you're looking for the ultimate sound and really take the rawness to the next level, downpipes and this full titanium double X pipe setup is the way to do it. Let's get to the sound. inside the 720S, you can tell it's a Spider, enjoying the beautiful weather today and enjoying this ultimate sound experience. The double X-pipe titanium rear section and some free flow downpipes. This thing has so much drama, so much excitement. That double X-pipe makes this 720 sound so exotic. There are other systems on the market. There's straight pipes, there's X-pipe systems, but nothing like this. Listen to how smooth. You can hear, like, in the mid-range, you get that, like, Ferrari rawness. Like, it's 6,000. Like 5.5. It's incredible. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a light throttle acceleration and listen to the resonance of how this thing just has such a more motorsport exotic sound than any other 720. Here we go.